It's not a society, it's not an organization, it's a family. AGCM is the place to grow, encounter the unadulterated word of God, and experience an unmatched fellowship with amazing brethren, exhibiting the love of God that is shared in our hearts.
You don't have to wait till later. Start now. Apart from our Sunday gatherings at 7 a.m., we also have the joy of meeting on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 6 p.m. There is no need to worry about transportation. Buses are available for all services at the various campuses. So what else are you waiting for?
A decision to be a part of this family is a step into a time of unforgettable experiences, unending memories, and a genuine walk with God. Remember, do not forsake the gathering of the saints. AGCM, our mission is missions. Gagaye, watch out. Keeping the main thing, the main.